can. Then I can hold it, and then go over the jump.
Get up 65, hold my speed, line up with the orange stripe. Steer at the top of the ramp, and hold it.
How's that for a new wrinkle? And that was only a warm-up jump. The next jump cuts the odds for survival by 50%. I am now 120 feet from our cameras. The jumps have been pulled another 60 feet apart. The distance between them is now 120 feet. Now let's recap the situation. 800 pounds of motorcycle traveling at a combined speed of 130 miles an hour must cross 120 feet of 20-mile-an-hour crosswinds and pass each other in the middle of the flight. The slightest error in speed, any deviation from course, even a split-second loss of power or sudden gusting of that crosswind could turn this jump into a disaster.
Boy, it sure is windy down here. I hope Rex can feel it up there.
Sure, if I can allow for the wind, if it's not too heavy.
I guess I'll have to take the right side of my ramp and hope it doesn't blow me too much off to the left of the down ramp.
Here they go. Once they hit the ramp, it's too late to abort. They're committed. Wow, what a jump. Now let's watch it again in slow motion. We asked Rex and Gary why they make this dangerous jump.